Making a large quantity of akara is about the same with making for your mouth or two, but there are a few tips for doing this with ease. We made about 200 pieces of akara yesterday, so I took the opportunity to film this quick recipe for you. Of course, you will need your peeled beans, peppers and onions. For this quantity, we opted for a commercial grinding machine. Just find a good operator and let them know you're making akara. It needs to be grinded with very little water. If they need to rinse out the machine after grinding, please collect the water in a separate container so you can use later. If your batter turns out too thick, you can always use the water to thin it out. We ask that the peppers and onions be blended roughly in a separate container. Blending those with the beans tends to make the batter go flat very quickly. But it's not a problem if you decide to blend everything together, as long as you mix thoroughly. After blending, we mix the entire batter first before taking a small amount to add the already blended peppers and onions and salt. We then mix again thoroughly till it becomes fluffy. Afterwards, we begin to scoop into already heated oil. We fry on medium heat, tossing midway until we have these beautiful golden brown balls. We will mix and fry in batches like this till we exhaust the batter. As soon as the first batch is ready, take 2 or more and bury them inside very soft agege bread and enjoy while you continue frying the rest. We also made some ogi to go with the akara, and that's it. Thank you for watching.